In just a few seconds, everything changes. A heavy truck, high speed, one small mistake, and the road turns into a disaster zone. These are not scenes from a movie. These are real truck accidents caught on camera. What you're about to see is shocking, intense, and real. Welcome to Daily Cam TV.
Behind them that is having a lot more trouble. And their vehicle is much, much bigger.
Oh my God! We should call 911.
Traffic cam records as vehicles move along smoothly. When suddenly, but the close call doesn't stop another smaller vehicle from trying the same thing on the opposite side. But this time, the catastrophe is not avoided. Trucker's dash cam records as he enters onto a busy highway. When suddenly,
look at that. That's on the freeway going up the Cajon Pass. They don't know what's going on here.
making the situation even more dire.
Oh my God.
The driver's life
He's on your truck. You need to get out of your truck right now. He's literally on your truck.
According to police reports, the incident occurred when the 62-year-old trucker failed to see the red car when he changed lanes and had no idea he had hit it. But watch the left rearview mirror closely. Behind them that is having a lot more trouble. And their vehicle is much, much bigger.
Oh my God! We should call 911.
Of reasons why a tractor trailer might get stuck at a train crossing. Raised tracks can ground the truck midway through. The engine could stall when shifting gears, or because the trailers can be so long and the acceleration is slow, it could simply be a poorly timed crossing by an impatient driver. But whatever the cause, the results are terrifying. Crashing into cars just outside the Say When Casino. But the semi-driver isn't running. He's coming back for more.
What the? What the?
Let us know in the comments which of these clips was your favorite. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.